Welcome, my friends, to the class style from my house to yours. Guys, today I'm sharing with you another series, and I hope you would stick around to see the different parts of the series that I have for you. Every week on a Wednesday, I upload a new video, except when I'm doing a challenge, it's gonna fluctuate. So, guys, I hope you stick around to the end and enjoy these DIYs that's upcoming, and I will see you in a bit. So, stick around now. I have here is a little box. The front is magnetic, and this particular box, we had a camera. We got a camera in it, and I saved it for years. I used to save some little coins in it, and I no longer have any coins. So I decided to do something else with it. It's so cute. I did not want to get rid of it. So what I have here is some white satin paint, and all I'm going to be doing is mixing in some powder to mix my chalk paint. In my previous videos where I did some chalk paint, I did use the baking soda. The both of them work well. I like to try new things, and the powder works very well. So I'm just mixing it in, making sure everything is mixed in thoroughly, and I'm just gonna paint the whole box white. I'm going to do right around, and I'm not gonna paint the underside yet because I want to allow the top part to dry first. So I'm using my strips again, my half-inch cardboard strips. I use this in upholstery, and this is coming in handy to use up for these pieces that I am doing. Guys, I hope you have seen the upload previous to this. It was my treasure chest, and I got inspired to do this little one, which I had shown on the end of the video. So I'm now showing you how I got it done today. So I'm just sticking the strips going right around. Now I love the look of the natural um, strip, so I'm not going to paint this one or put any type of finish on it. Now the underside, like I said, I'm going to paint that after. So I'm just adding in these strips to the top, to the bottom, and I'm going to adhere it with my glue gun. Guys, I hope you all are blessed, staying safe. I always love having you in my company. Guys, rain is pouring outside. I'm sure you are hearing it. And I just had to find something to do indoors. So I'm being creative today. So I'm just adding the strips along the top here. I'm just putting one on the end, almost the end, like about an inch off from the end. And I have two more strips. I'm just going to add it across the top and one to the front. Now the glue gun works very well on the cardboard strips, but if you choose to use any other type of glue, you're welcome to. So I just have some brooches that I had accumulated over the years, and I'm deciding to put something on it. I was thinking of this, but I don't like the color on it. This was too small, and this one was too large. This is for a bigger box, but this one looked so cute on it and elegant with the little glitters and the sparkles. So I attached it to it with my glue gun, and I kind of slanted it so it looked like a hook to hold your rest your fingers under to raise up. And I'm just using my glue gun to finish adhere it to the bottom, and that is it. It looks so cute. Now what I decided to do is just use my white paint and just dry brush it onto the cardboard strip. Originally I thought that I would not do anything with it, but I found that this made it look so different and so finished, and it tied in with the other paint on it. So I'm loving this look so much, and I'm going to enjoy displaying this on my chest of drawers. So it's looking so, and the um brooch sparkles, guys, in lighting. So I found these are pieces that I would use on my blinds, the ends of the cording, and I decided to use them as foot or legs for under the treasure box. So I'm just using my Gorilla Glue because I want it really adhered nicely, and I find this glue holds it really good. This glue is an all-purpose glue. It works on anything. I have even stuffed a glass and it held it perfectly. So I'm just running it on the side of it. I'm just putting on my legs there, and it just takes a little like a couple a minute or two to pull so that it will be good for use. So guys, this is how it's looking. It's looking so cute. I decided to leave the legs natural as it is. I may change my mind at some point, but these are the jewelry my treasure box. It looks really elegant. I so enjoy this little piece, and to think, this was a camera box. It just shows you how you can use anything around the house to make lovely crafts. So guys, I'll see you soon. I hope you have enjoyed my presentation. Do like, subscribe, and share.
Catch you later. Bye, guys.